Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Comica CVM-VM10 shotgun video microphone, which costs around £60 on Amazon and comes with plenty of cool accessories. Starting off with the build quality of the microphone, it has a very sturdy all-metal build. It appears to be machined out of a single piece of metal, with no visible screws, resulting in this sleek, precise, and even expensive feel. The microphone is not battery powered and instead connects to a standard 3.5mm port, allowing it to be quickly connected to virtually any recording device with the provided cable. As you might have guessed, I'm actually recording the audio for this video with this microphone. And yeah, the audio is loud and clear, even though my computer's pretty loud. There's a clear reduction in that background ambient noise. For sake of comparison, this is the audio from the microphone built into my phone. So compared to the microphone by Comica, you can probably tell that there's more background noise and the audio is less sharp and more distorted. So right now I'm filming with the microphone built into the phone outside in an environment where there's a lot of ambient noise. So there's the wind, there's birds in the background, and I'm sure the internal microphone is picking up a lot of this. So now I'm filming with the external microphone, and as you can probably tell, the sound of the ambient noise is much less and you can hear my voice clearer. This is partly due to the cardioid nature of this microphone. So basically it picks up sound quite well right in front of it, but picks up sound around it far less. So it focuses on the main source of sound and the ambient noise should be far less. What really stands out about this microphone is all of the included extras. So all of the components came in this convenient zip bag, which has foam cutouts to place each item securely. The bag is made of high quality material and the foam means that the microphone is protected and doesn't rattle around when moved. Impressively, the mic also comes with a mini tripod and phone clamp. And these are both really high quality too, so I'm used to using flimsy spring clamps to attach my phone to a tripod, but the one they've given here is so much stronger and it uses a screw to tighten the clamp to the phone rather than a spring, which provides much more support and is just easier to use. Similarly, the tripod is made of high quality material too. It feels very durable and it's really easy to use as well. So yeah, the legs, they're sturdy, they're stable, and the position of the camera can easily be adjusted by just clicking down this button here and moving the camera, then releasing the button to fix it in place. The tripod and the phone clamp alone are outstanding, so it's unbelievable to think they're just extras for this microphone. I've been blown away by this kit because, coupled with a modern smartphone or camera, this is everything you need to make professionally recorded videos. So overall, this is just perfect for anyone looking for a low-cost, quick and convenient method of filming fantastic footage. Just plug the microphone in and you're good to go.